In this tutorial, we will see how to do data binding in Android. So now I am showing you data binding with Java. So first of all, to make data binding, we need to start with making our data binding enabled. So in build.gradle in app folder, in app file, we need to make data binding enabled so that the classes will be loaded. So the first thing is you need to wrap your layout, your entire layout in layout tag, in which you need to specify data, in which you need to specify the variable that is user. What is this user is the model class. Here we are specifying four strings: name, age, mobile and email. So here we are having four text views: name, age and mobile and email. These are the four text views we are having. So we are trying to set the data using data binding for these text views. So for that, in the set text field in the XML, we will integrate our model directly. So here user.name, so this name here we get from here. So how this thing works: so when you have created a layout and included the data tags and variable tags, then an activity main binding class will be generated. So using this class we can get the we can access the components in the layout. So basically previously when you used to set layout, you used to set like set content view r dot layout dot activity main. So now here we are using data binding. So for that binding we need to provide our layout and we need to set the content view here, as you can see. So now we are initializing the model, and with the help of the object we are setting the data: user dot set name, set age, set mobile and email. So after setting all the data, we need to pass the object, the model, to our data binding class. Data binding, we need to set the model. So here we are setting the user data. So let's run the code. Data is directly set. We are trying to update the data and to show you. So yes, it works. So if previously we used to make manual data bindings, like text view, we need to create an object, then find view by id, and here we need to specify the id name. For example, let's think here it's name. So here I can specify it as name and text view dot set text. So this was the scenario previously we used to follow, but now with the help of data binding we can make the things much faster. So we are avoiding all the boilerplate code now. So this is the data binding in Java. So in next video I will be showing you how the data binding is done in Kotlin, and it's much simpler than Java. So for this the code is provided in the description section. So here you can get the link in the description section. The full code is provided, and also if you like the video, Do like, share, subscribe, and click on the notification icon to get my videos directly when I update them into my channel.